guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to open the Nyota where moments meet. There are 8 regular models and 1 series model in this configuration. The packaging is so pretty too. The first one is our cover figure, Star Catcher. She's wearing a denim jumpsuit. The buttons on her clothes are actually 3D. The socks are removable. The details and texture are absolutely amazing. The arms are articulated, you can pose it however you like. Her hair is this chestnut brown shade. There's her name embroidered on the back. Plus, every piece of clothing in this set can be taken on and off. Could she be taking off the star on her head? Who can resist such a cutie? Let's draw. Her dress is like a painting she made. What an imaginative piece of art. What a bright and vivid outfit. And she even brings her little pet Lumi along. She's wearing a little painter's hat on her head. This one has lighter colored hair. Let's take a look at the comparison. Which color do you prefer? Good night, kitty. Lumi's name is also on the pajamas. The pajamas feel super fluffy. These little cat ears are so adorable too. Truly turned into a kitten. Wearing a bell around the neck. The bell is also detachable. Its feet are also movable. What an adorable little kitty in pajamas. Hi Lumi. This one looks just like a school outfit. She's carrying a little cat crossbody bag here. Its hands can also rotate. Let's take off the clothes and have a look. It's so playable. We can change new clothes for our Nyota. Looks a little silly and cute. Hopscotch. Hopscotch really feels like a childhood memory for so many people. There are buttons in 3 colors on the clothes. Just like childhood life, always colorful and full of fun. Even the pockets are made super realistic. Happy harvest. She has a little scarf. Is it because autumn has arrived? It's harvest time, and it's time to eat the fruits? Sunny nap. Such a fresh color scheme. Perfect for summer. The clothes are also this kind of soft sweater. 3 p.m. The overall color scheme is in the style of Mallard tones. She still has her Lumi in her pocket. So cute, this kitty. This time the identity card is designed like a Polaroid. Polaroid lovers are totally obsessed. That's all for today's unboxing. Follow me. See you next time. Bye bye.